Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to discuss few reasons for heart attack which is causing alarm, fear in the minds of the youth of our country, that is India. For the last few months, we have been hearing deaths due to heart attack. Okay, there are many reasons to be discussed about this phenomena. As the heart is the most important organ of our body, we have to take care of it. It is our duty and the responsibility to maintain our heart in good condition. Due to our activities and our habits and the food drink that we consume is leading to heart attack, about which the youth have negligence. Let me discuss few points which are causing this disorder. First of all, the most reason for this is the cooking oil that we use to prepare food. Okay, most of the people, whether they are rich or the poor, using cheap cooking oil that is available in the market. Okay, how we don't know how that cooking oil is produced in factory. It is adulterated using many byproducts of petroleum and other materials, but we don't care about that, how it is manufactured in the factories. Just we think how to save money, okay, how to grow money. Okay, first we have to understand we haven't born to earn money, to collect money. Okay, but what has happened today is that everyone thinks that we have born to earn money. Okay, many people get up and go to office or work as early as possible and work till late in night, and returns to home and eat, get their dinner and go to bed. Like this their routine will continue. But what are they going to achieve? Have all of us born to earn money only? No. We have to maintain our health along with earning money. Money is important, I know, but in the way we are going to earn money, we have been neglecting our health. Okay, which can't be get back. Okay, using that money that we earn. So we have to give the utmost importance to the health first, then to the money. Okay, and you, instead of using the cooking oil that is available in the market, which is adulterated with any other byproducts of petroleum and so on and so forth, you use peanut oil, which is very pure and extracted in front of your eyes. You have to know how it is extracted. There are many oil mills where you can get the oil extracted. You have to buy at least 15 kgs of peanut. You have to separate small stones out of that peanuts and then let them dry during the sun for 4 to 5 days so that water will evaporate. Then you have to carry that peanuts to the oil mills where you can get the oil extracted in front of your eyes. Okay, there will be no adulteration of any other materials in that oil, so that there will be 100% purity, and the taste is also very high. As I am using the peanut oil for the past 4 to 5 years, there is less chance of getting any diseases, even a fever and cough. Really, we may get, but not often. So, first you change the cooking oil that you are going to use. Instead of that, use peanut oil. It is my very first preferred, the most preferred advice for all of you. Okay, second one, stress. First of all, cooking oil is the most reason for the heart attack. Second one, stress. We should be calm always. Okay, should not get stress and give pressure to our heart. Okay, which causes high blood pressure. Whenever we get stress, there will be high blood pressure. Okay, there will be more work to our heart to pump fast the blood. So try to be cool in any situation. Okay, as much as possible. Be in cool mood. Do work without any stress, pressure. You do as less as work. You may have target, but don't. The target should not become as a pressure for your body. And drinking alcohol is also an reason for the heart attack. Heart attack is caused due to the blockage of veins in the body. Alcohol, what does the alcohol contribute to that blockage in the veins? Do you know? Yes, this alcohol contains many harmful items that the heart can't tolerate. Okay, alcohol also has become one of the reasons for our heart attack. So you try to get it rid of. Alcohol not only leads to heart attack, but it can also lead to accidents. Okay, while you drive drinking alcohol, you may get accidents which will lead to the loss of your life, and also there will be problems for your family as well. So keep in mind, while you are going to drink alcohol, you have to take care of your health as well as about the future of your family, your children, your wife, and your mother, father, whoever may be in your family. Okay, keep all of these factors in your mind, and don't drink alcohol. It's my suggestion for you. Smoking cigarettes also, it leads to cancer as well as heart attack. Okay, you might have seen many people suffering from cancer due to smoking cigarettes, chewing tobaccos, gutkhas. Okay, even though many of the educated young people have seen their relatives suffering from these diseases like cancer, heart attack due to the tobaccos. Okay, their byproducts, they are also consuming them because they can't understand the effects of those materials. They cause very harmful effects to our body, which we can't recover once we get it. Okay, so there are many items to eat. Okay, like cashew, almonds. Okay, and Many other items naturally available, naturally grown on plants you consume instead of those tobacco products. Okay, and what we do, we do only work and eat, go to bed, sleep. Okay, otherwise we don't give any exercise to our body. At least we have to walk 2 to 3 kilometers per day and do yogas. Okay, so doing yogas will help to stretch our body parts, which will ultimately help us to reduce the pains in our backs, legs, arms, and even legs. Facial, there will be there are more number of facial yoga which will reduce strain in your faces, eyebrows. Okay, here head joints. Do yogas and walking every day. At least you spend half an hour a day for the health of your body. And don't eat junk food which is available on the roadside. Okay, they use uh, the low price cooking oil and the used oil again. They don't change the oil once used. Okay, so you, whatever you may want to eat, you prepare, better to prepare at your home itself, so that it will be healthier and beneficial for you. And it junk food also cause fatty body. Once your body swollen, it will be difficult for you to reduce the body size. Okay, first you give preference to maintain body and be as slim as possible. And don't use vehicles always. If you have to buy something and if there is no longer distance, you go by walk. Okay, don't use vehicles even for going for half a kilometer. Okay, you may use vehicle, but whenever you are going traveling very longer distance, that is 3 to 4 kilometer like this. Okay, but if a shop is only 500 meter, 700 meter, or below a kilometer at a distance, you better to walk by on foot. Okay, so that it will give your body exercise, and you can reduce environmental pollution due to using of a vehicle. Like this, doing walking or going to shop on foot, your health will be improved and be healthy. Hereditary reasons also play an important role in the heart attack. So if anyone was suffering of heart attack, suffering from heart attack, it better to get yourself checked on a regular basis. That is once in 6 months and yearly. Okay, and follow the prescriptions of the doctors. Consult a good heart surgeon so that they will give you better advice and medicines, so that you can live a longer life. Don't neglect your health issues. Okay, whenever you have pain in your chest, arms, back, etc. Okay, even the pain in your back or arms may also lead to the heart attack. If you found those signs, you visit a doctor as early as possible, get their suggestion, and get your body checked through ECG and any other modern checkups, so that the doctor will find if there is any problems inside the body, and if there is any blockage in your veins, they will find them quickly and um, easy to get it corrected. And one more reason that I would like to give you here is that use of a mobile phone. Okay, today what is happening is that everyone using a mobile any instead of any other modern gadgets. So mobile causes radiation which are also dangerous to our health. So use mobile as little as possible and don't give the same to your children. You fix a time to see mobile. After that you keep it away. Many people keep their cell phones on the left side of their shirt. It is very dangerous. Whenever a phone call comes, it vibrates and which alerts are use vibration to your heart as well. Okay, so it is very dangerous to keep the mobile phone on your left side shirt pocket. Instead, you keep it in your pant pocket and keep the cell phone away from your head while you are going to bed. Keep it at least 3 to 4 steps away from you and don't speak whenever you keep the phone for charging. There will be chances of explosion of the battery. And don't give mobile to your children. Okay, it will damage their eyesight and cause headache, eye infections. Okay, many problems will be there for your children as well as for you. These reasons were found by me, and I wish you the best health, happy and prosperous future. Follow some of these, at least some of these my suggestions, like using peanut oil instead of the market available market oil, and doing yogas, exercises, walking on daily basis, giving up alcohol, drinking, smoking, chewing tobaccos, using less mobile. Okay, thank you. See you in the next video.